Kerala, God's own country, is a well-known slogan that highlights the natural beauty, cultural richness, and diverse attractions of the southern Indian state of Kerala. Natural beauty. Kerala is renowned for its breathtaking natural landscapes, including lush greenery, serene backwaters, pristine beaches, and rolling hills. The state's abundant rainfall contributes to its vibrant flora and fauna, making it a haven for nature lovers. Backwaters. The backwaters of Kerala are a unique network of interconnected canals, rivers, lakes, and lagoons. Houseboats cruise through these tranquil waterways, offering travelers a chance to experience the serene beauty of Kerala's rural life up close. Coastline. With a long coastline along the Arabian Sea, Kerala boasts some stunning beaches such as Kovalam, Varkala, and Cherai. These beaches offer opportunities for relaxation, water sports, and gorgeous sunsets. Cultural diversity. Kerala is known for its rich cultural heritage. It is home to a diverse population with various religious, linguistic, and ethnic backgrounds. The state celebrates numerous festivals, each with its own unique traditions and rituals. Ayurveda and wellness. Kerala is a hub for Ayurveda, an ancient system of natural healing. The state offers a range of Ayurvedic treatments and wellness retreats, attracting people seeking holistic health and rejuvenation. Spices and cuisine. Kerala is often referred to as the spice garden of India. Its cuisine is characterized by its use of spices, coconut, and local ingredients. Dishes like appam, dosa, and seafood delicacies are a must-try. Tea and plantations. The hill stations of Kerala, such as Munnar, are known for their tea plantations. The rolling hills covered in tea bushes create a picturesque and soothing atmosphere. Wildlife and national parks. Kerala is home to several national parks and wildlife sanctuaries, including Periyar and Wayanad. These parks house diverse animal and bird species, providing opportunities for wildlife enthusiasts to observe and appreciate nature. Cultural arts. Kerala has a rich tradition of performing arts, including classical dance forms like Kathakali and Mohiniyattam. Traditional music, martial arts, Kalaripayattu, and art forms like Theyyam are also an integral part of Kerala's cultural tapestry. Warm hospitality. Kerala is known for its warm and welcoming people. The hospitality of the locals adds to the charm of the state and enhances the overall travel experience. The phrase, God's own country, aptly captures the sense of wonder and beauty that Kerala evokes. Its diverse offerings, from natural wonders to cultural treasures, make it a truly unique and enchanting destination.